Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this here I need the lot driver for the Windows for the Canon color Imageclass, and this here for serial, and this here for I need install for the Windows the driver. And if you need the lot, you click here, driver the lot is here for all operating system support. Okay, and I am like for download official website, and this here for official website and easy to download. If you need download, you click here for official website Canon support for image for color image class, and click here, and you scroll down, and this here for the official website. This here for the printer. If you need download, you click here for the title, software and driver. You click here for the title, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system. If you make the operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh, and this here for the tag operating system. Okay, and I am testing for the Linux. This here for the Linux version. Okay, if you need download, you scroll down, and it's here for match the driver and tool support for the Linux, and this here for the Macintosh. This here for the fashion for the Macintosh, match the fashion for the Macintosh. This here for the driver for Macintosh support. Okay, and I have recommendation for you. You download here for the recommendation title. Okay, and this video I need download driver for the Windows and install for the Windows the driver, and specific for the Windows 11, and this here for the version, and Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and this here for Windows Server support. And this video I need download driver for Windows 11. Okay, this if you need download, you scroll down, and this here for the Windows support for the driver. And I am recommendation for you. You download here for master setup. For the master setup support your the printer and scanner and the software. This here for support your master setup. If you need download, you click here. Or if you need download the specific for the printer, and this here for specific for the scanner and specific for the printer. Okay, and I'm try for the specific for the printer. If you need download, you click here for the red button download, and this here for the download complete. And if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and please wait finish ready for the load. If you finish, you double click for the file, and you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video, or you search for by Google. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time.